Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to send an invisible message on iMessage. Let's have a look. First, open iMessage app on your iPhone. Go to the conversation to which you want to send an invisible message or compose a new message. Tap compose icon on top right corner of the screen. Enter the contact name or phone number to send invisible message. Type your message and you can add emojis or photos. Now tap and hold the send button. Tap on the grey dot beside invisible ink and see a preview of the effect. Hit send button to send the message. That's it. The message will be sent to the recipient with blurred effect. The message would not be visible until you tap and hold on it. So these are the steps to send an invisible message on iMessage. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.